Friends. So I'm going to present today. We are going to be doing lesson 6.1, the beginning of unit 6. So expectations for today, I want you to stay muted during the lesson. I will answer any questions at the end. I will need your listening ears and your observant eyes. And I need you to please not work on your worksheet until the end of the lesson so I make sure that you do it correctly. All right, friends? So today we're going to be learning about odd and even numbers, just like the video we just watched. So today's I can is, I can determine if a group of objects has an odd or even number of members. Why is it important to determine if something is odd or even? Well, it's going to help us to prepare to learn division, and it's going to help us see patterns in numbers. So here's the words we need to know for this lesson is groups. So a group is a set of objects. An odd number, when splitting numbers or objects into groups of 2, there will always be one left over that does not have a partner. An even number, these numbers can be split apart into groups of 2 with none left over. And pairs is a set of 2 things used together. So a pair of shoes, a pair of gloves. So remember, even always has a partner when we split it into groups of 2. Odd always has one left over when we're splitting it into groups of 2. So what we'll need, you're going to need your 6.1 worksheet and a pencil or something to write with. All right, friends. I'm going to stop sharing. So numbers can be broken into 2 different categories. We have our even and we have our odd. So I am going to, want to make sure that you can see, I'm going to put 8 sticky notes on the board. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, friends. Now, I'm going to group them into groups of 2. So I'm going to draw a circle around the groups of 2. So I have 1 group of 2, 2 groups of 2, 3 groups of 2, and 4 groups of 2. Give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down if we have any left over. Thumbs up if we have some left over, thumbs down if we don't have any left over. Thumbs down. Great job. All right, friends. So that is how we're going to know that our 8 is an even number because they all have partners. Okay. So now we're going to do another number. And so I'm going to take these off. We're going to do a larger number this time. All right, friends. We're going to do the number 18. So I'm going to do is put 18 sticky notes. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So a lot of sticky notes, friends, and they look like they're trying to fly away from me. All right, right, friends. Sorry, friends, so we're almost there. All right, so we have 18 sticky notes. Woo, that was a lot of sticky notes. What I'm gonna do still is I'm gonna circle groups of 2. And in order to figure out if it's an even or odd, I'm gonna see if I have any partners left or if there's one left over. Let's see. I'm gonna circle a group of 2. I'm gonna circle another group of 2. Circle one more group. And another one. Let's see. Do I have any left over, or do they all have partners? Give me a thumbs up if there is some left over. Thumbs down if they all have partners, all have a friend. All right, good job. Which means that 18 is an even number. All right, friends. So now I'm gonna share my screen once again. And thank you to my friends that are writing your answers in the chat box and participating or giving me thumbs up. It's an amazing job. So let me just go. All right. Now we're going to look at our interactive bridge chart. And we're going to see when we skip to count by 2s, those are our even numbers. So we have 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. And if we keep going, it's 12, 14, 16, 18, and 20. And our odd numbers are the numbers in between our even numbers, which are 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. All right, friends. So now we're going to talk about our odd numbers. Our odd numbers are numbers that can't be separated into groups of 2. There's always one left over. Miss Sanchez is making a mess right now. Too many Post-it notes. All right. What I might do, so I'm going to put up 5 Post-it notes. Yay, a smaller number today. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Remember, we got to circle our groups of 2. See how many groups of 2 we can make. So I have 1, and I have 2. Do I have any left over that don't have a partner? Thumbs up if I do have some left over, thumbs down if I don't. Good job, friends. I do not have a partner for this friend right here, which means that number 5 is an odd number. All right, friends. So now I'm going to show you, I'm going to do 2 problems from the worksheet. So I'm going to do the very top right over here. Very top right, this one right here. I'm gonna count how many circles. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna circle my groups of 2 to see if I have any left. So I'm circling my groups of 2. So I have one group of 2 here. Sorry, friends. There we go. Do I have any friends that need a partner still? Give me a thumbs up if I still need. Yes. So we have 1 left over, which means that our number is odd. So we would be circling the odd. And make sure that you're circling your pairs as well. Now I'm going to do the very bottom right one, which is this one right here. And I'm going to count the circles first. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So I'm going to circle and make groups of 2. So 1, 2, 3. Make sure you're circling your groups of 2. Give me a thumbs up if you think it's an even number, or a thumbs down if you think it's an odd number. I see thumbs up. Good job. Yes, we don't have any friends left over, so this is an even number. So we're going to circle the even. All right, friends, I'm going to stop recording now. But before I do, so today we learned how to tell if a number is even or odd by separating groups of 2. And it's important because it's going to help us when we start division. And remember, if you need any help or anything, then you can always show up to our math help meet, or you can email us. We are here to help you. All right, friends.